Hello, today on our Marriage and Relationship Healing Series, Episode 5, we're talking about emotional safety, trust, and why relationships feel tense even when nothing obvious is wrong. Here is the truth many people don't say out loud. You can be in a relationship and still feel like you have to be careful how you speak, careful what you say, or careful how much of yourself you reveal, because something in the relationship no longer feels safe. And when emotional safety is missing in relationship, trust begins to weaken quietly. Whether you're married, dating, or trying to rebuild connection, this conversation will help you understand what's happening in your relationship and how to begin restoring it. In the last episode, we talked about emotional triggers and how past experiences shape our reactions. Now, here is the connection. When triggers are not understood, reactions become repeated, misunderstandings increase, and over time, emotional safety begins to reduce. And once safety reduces, trust does not disappear immediately, it slowly becomes fragile. Emotional safety is the feeling that you can express yourself in a relationship without fear of being dismissed, fear of being judged, fear of being attacked or misunderstood. It is the quiet confidence that says, I can be honest here and still be respected. Research in relationship psychology consistently shows that emotional safety is one of the strongest foundations of lasting intimacy. Without it, people begin to hold back, and when people hold back, connection weakens. Let me share with you signs that safety is low in your relationship. Emotional safety does not disappear suddenly, like I mentioned before. It reduces in patterns. You may notice it when you avoid certain conversations. You may notice it when you filter your words carefully. You may notice it when you stop sharing how you truly feel. And you may notice it when you expect your partner to misunderstand you. You may notice it when you feel tense during discussions that should feel safe. These are not small signs, they are signals that something deeper needs attention. Let's talk about what breaks trust in relationship. Many people think trust only breaks through major events like betrayal, but in reality, trust is often weakened by repeated small experiences, such as not being listened to, being dismissed repeatedly, being misunderstood without repair, emotional reactions that feel unsafe over time. And in such situations, the mind begins to say, I don't feel secure expressing myself here, and that is how distance begins. Permit me to share with you a true life story of a couple. John and Miriam had no major conflict, but something had changed. Miriam stopped sharing deeply. John felt she was becoming distant. What neither of them realized was this. In previous conversations, Miriam felt her emotions were often corrected too quickly. John, on the other hand, believed he was helping, but she experienced it as dismissal. So, over time, she shared less, not because she didn't trust him completely, but because she didn't feel emotionally safe enough to open up fully. Many people don't say, I don't feel safe with you. Instead, they adjust quietly. They talk less. They explain less. They feel less understood, and over time, emotional distance replaces closeness. I will share with you now how to begin to rebuild safety in your relationship. Just few tips on how to do this. Emotional safety can be rebuilt, yes, but it requires intentional change. Like 1. Create space for honest expression. You should allow your partner to speak without interruption or correction from you immediately. 2. Respond with understanding before solutions. I need you to know that not every feeling needs to be fixed immediately, and we should respect that. 3. Reduce defensive reactions. You are to focus on listening, not protecting your position. 4. Be consistent, because safety is built over time through repeated positive experiences. These small shifts rebuild trust gradually. Emotional safety is not built in one conversation. It is built through consistent understanding, consistent listening, and consistent respect. When safety returns, trust becomes stronger, and when trust is strong, intimacy grows naturally. Dear friends, as you reflect today, I want you to ask yourself, do I feel safe expressing myself in my relationship? And also ask if you're creating safety for your partner. Thank you for being part of this journey. Please like, subscribe, and share this message with others. And if you need support, you're welcome to reach out. In episode 6 of this relationship playlist, we will explore how to rebuild connection after emotional distance. Thank you.